Hello class, today we are looking at lesson 13. We have our vocabulary list: display, alert, then I go to number 3, weariness, fractured, standards, vision, huddle, graceful, stranded, and concluded. Display: the natural world is full of glorious scenes such as this display of wildlife. A display is something shown publicly. Think about it. Are you happy when a teacher puts your work on display on a bulletin board? Alert. These animals are alert. They are wide awake and ready to take action. To be alert is to be wide awake and paying attention. Are you alert? In what kind of situation are you particularly alert? Why? I would say when driving. Weariness. This bird can fly many miles. It may get tired, but it isn't stopped by its weariness. A person who is very tired experiences weariness. Think about it. At what time of day are you most likely to experience weariness? I'd say right before bed. Fractured. In Antarctica, chunks of fractured or broken ice float through the icy sea. Fractured means cracked. A fractured plate. Is a fractured plate ruined? Could you still use it? Why or why not? Standards. By these polar bear standards or ways of measuring, cold air might be comfortable. So they're used to that cold air and their standard of living, they don't need it to be warm. Standards are rules used for judging or measuring. What are the standards for dress at your school? So that one makes sense to you, right? How we judge or measure what you're allowed to wear. Vision. Artists can have a vision or a mental image of how to paint a scene from nature. A vision is an idea of what something could be like in the future. What is your vision of what your life will be like when you are an adult? Huddle. Baby goslings often huddle or crowd together to stay warm while they nap. When people or animals huddle, they crowd together. Why do football players huddle before they play? Graceful. The delicate design of a spider's web is graceful and pleasing to see. Something that moves smoothly and with ease is graceful. Think about the most graceful person you know. Describe that person. Stranded. This fawn may seem stranded or left helpless. So stranded means left helpless. Its mother is nearby though, so you don't have to worry about it. If a person is stranded in a place, he or she is unable to leave it. If you were stranded somewhere for a long period of time, would you rather be alone or with one other person? Explain. Concluded. Many people have concluded or decided that nature is full of beauty. If a person has concluded something, he or she has made a decision or formed an opinion. What have you concluded about what you want to do when you grow up? And then we have our vocabulary here. So for lesson 13, an Arctic journal, vision, a mental image of what something could look like, standards, levels used to compare, huddle, crowd together, alert, aware of, weariness, tiredness, fractured or broken, graceful means elegant, beautiful, stranded, left helpless, display, to show something, put it on show, or for display, concluded, formed an opinion,